This video will demonstrate how to load the DS-64i half tray. The process of loading and unloading is the same. Here's what the half tray looks like. On the back of the tray, there is a small knurled nut. Loosening it allows you to adjust the side guides. There is also a knob that can be moved to lift the lever shown here. This will raise the document tray. Let's demonstrate how to load the half tray. For this example, we'll load it with buck slips. Open the side guides and give them a tap. To collate, tighten the knurled nut on the back of the tray. Ensure the buck slips, whether BREs or half sheets, are feeding out smoothly. Reinstall the half tray onto the machine. The half tray on a DS-64i attaches to the lower section of the machine. Similar to the other trays, there is a small dot on the tray. Zooming in reveals a small dot on the tray. This dot indicates how much paper, buck slips, or other materials should be inserted into the feeder. Turn the knob, load the buck slips, then turn the knob back down to lower the feeder assembly. This is the knob that lifts the feeder into the up position. When turning, you should feel and hear it hit the back of the assembly. This concludes the tutorial on how to load the DS-64i half tray.